Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got my package in the mail and I'm so excited because I've been waiting for so long to get the Morphe palette, and this palette is the 35b palette and it has so many beautiful colors in it. Look at these beautiful colors and I'm excited to try it. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So for eyebrows today, I always use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and it is in the color Ebony. So I know my eyebrows are looking a smidge bit crazy right now, but we're not done yet. I'm going to use my LA Pro Girl concealer, and this is in the color Chestnut. And the reason that I like this concealer is because it is very thick and it's easy to apply to the under eye. It's not going to drip or any of that good stuff. So, and I also don't like to use concealers that are too light for my skin tone for under my brows. So for my eyelids, I always use the same concealer, and I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Light Ivory on my lids. And like I said before, I do like to use quite a bit to make sure that color is prominent. So my next step is going to be, I'm going to use some of the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and I'm going to put that on my eyelids to set them. So the first color that I'm going to go in with today is kind of like a purplish color, and it's this color right here. Then I'm going to go in with this red color right here. I am going to use a little bit of a deeper purple, and I'm going to go in with this purple right here just to deepen it up a smidge. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the LA Pro Girl concealer again, just because it is the lightest concealer that I have, and for this process you do want to use a very light concealer. Next eyeshadow color, I'm going to go in with this beautiful hot pink color right here, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. And for eyeliner, I like to, of course, use my Mary Kay Cosmetics, and this is in the color Jet Black. Okay, now guys, I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Glitter, and I'm just going to put that at the top of my Hey guys, so today for primer, I'm going to be using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I used this for the first time in my last video, and y'all, my face has never felt so good. Like, I feel like I was seeing videos about this all over the place, but I just was kind of doing my own thing. But this primer makes my face feel so smooth and so soft. It literally feels like baby skin. So usually I don't color correct, but sometimes I get in the color correcting mood if I'm seeing a little bit of darkness on my face, which I am. So I'm going to go ahead and use the LA Pro Girl Concealer, and this is in the color orange, as you can tell. And I'm just going to put it everywhere where I feel like I need to color correct, which is usually right here on the sides of my face. Usually put some on this little bruise or this little mark down there. Ooh, that's a lot. Put a little bit around my mouth. I know I look crazy, y'all. A little bit on my nose, and then a little bit over here on top of my forehead. Now, if you want to use your fingers to blend it out, you could, but I usually like to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender just to kind of cover up some of the darkness on my face. And we're not blending it in until we can't see it anymore. We're blending it in until there's a little light coat, because you want to still have it on your face. You just want to blend it in just a little bit. You don't want to go, you want to have it cover up what it needs to cover up, if that makes sense. So you can still see the orangeness around my mouth and stuff. I want it to be able to cover up my dark spots. And I have a few down here, but we ain't worried about that today. So for foundation, of course, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty, which is my favorite, and I am in the color 430. And I'm going to squirt a couple of pumps on my hand too. And then I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and I'm going to use the other side of it. And little by little, I'm just going to dot it on my face. I feel like this is an easier way for me, because if not, I feel like I'm using a lot of foundation when it's really not necessary. So next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, and it is in the color Medium Deep. And I'm gonna do under my eyes lash, just because I like to have more brightness under my eyes. And instead of going all the way out, I'm focusing on going down because I don't want it to have that huge line of separation between my foundation and my concealer. I'm not a huge contour fan, but I do like to darken up the perimeters of my face. And for that, I use my Ulta Beauty Contour Kit. And I usually use the colors Golden Bronzer and Goddess Bronzer. And I just mix the two together. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to use some Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the color Medium Deep. Now I'm going to go to highlighter, the color Bronzed. Ooh, bitch. Above my lip, and I also like to put some down the bridge of my nose, and I usually take my finger and dab a little bit. I'm also going to take some more of that bronzed from my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to put some right here above my eye. And for mascara, I'm not going to put on any falsies today, but for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Lash Paint. And this is my absolute favorite mascara because it makes my eyelashes look like falsies. And for setting spray, again, I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray that all over my face. Now for lips, I'm going to use my favorite, my ColourPop lip liner in the color Pitch. I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. Also please subscribe to my channel and also share this throughout all your social media. I mean, why not? You're already here. So thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah!